Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will teach you how to create a salary sheet in Excel. We already have some data with serial number, employee name, department, and designation. We need to calculate the gross salary, PF, and net salary based on the basic salary. So first, we will add 10% to the basic salary to get the DA, dearness allowance. Then we will add 12% of the basic salary to get the TA, travel allowance. After summing these, we will get the gross salary. Now, to calculate the PF, Provident Fund, we need to add 8% of the gross salary. After adding 8%, we will get the PF amount. Now, to calculate the net salary, we will subtract the PF from the gross salary. Then, simply drag the formula down to fill the rest of the cells and your salary sheet will be ready.